As Halloween and Thanksgiving approach, I'm sharing a seasonal favorite, pumpkin gelato. It's creamy, smooth, and full of flavor. I add a few spices so the taste is reminiscent of an ultimate pumpkin pie, perfect alongside any holiday dessert spread. Prefer a purist version? Just skip the spices and use a high-quality pumpkin puree. Watch to the end for key tips and easy substitutions if you want to experiment. Let's get started. Start by weighing all of the dry ingredients into one bowl. These are non-fat dry milk powder, granulated sugar, locust bean gum, dextrose, pumpkin pie spice, nutmeg, and cinnamon. If you don't have locust bean gum or dextrose, don't worry. You can easily make this recipe with tapioca starch or cornstarch right from your grocery stores. Just check out our other videos for the exact ratios. Whisk this dry mixture well. Then add your milk, cream, pumpkin puree, and light corn syrup. Give that a good whisk too. Transfer your base to a saucepan and cook about 8 to 10 minutes, whisking continuously to prevent burning. The base will thicken and coat the back of a spoon. Transfer the base to a heat-proof container, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface, and refrigerate 2 to 4 hours or overnight for deeper flavor. When ready to churn your pumpkin gelato base, give it a quick whisk before adding it to your machine. Churn for 30 to 35 minutes. Let it firm up in the freezer for 3 to 4 hours and make sure to serve it fresh. I've linked my video on serving gelato at the right temperature, a must-watch, plus the full pumpkin gelato recipe and blog post in the description below. A few important tips. Try substituting light corn syrup with fresh maple syrup for a subtle flavor boost. Use a high-quality, smooth pumpkin puree for the best flavor and texture. When adding fruit purees, increase dextrose and sugar slightly to account for added water and solids. This base is great with apple puree or a similar fruit if you want to experiment. This recipe is adapted from my fior di latte recipe in the Art of Making Gelato. Check out my book for more seasonal variations and related recipes. This gelato is delicious and a seasonal must-have. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Buon appetito! No spreadsheets, no complicated calculations, just real Italian gelato made easy. For more gelato tips, recipes, and tutorials, check out the other videos on my channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Want to learn more? Visit my website for free and premium resources, full recipes, gelato FAQs, and expert support. Thanks for watching.
For the love of gelato!